Hey, I'm Mike Berlin with Bclip Productions. We've spent over 20 years helping industrial teams communicate clearly, especially when it comes to safety. If you're responsible for safety training at a manufacturing site, then you already know the stakes. Every contractor, every vendor, every new hire needs to understand the rules and how to follow them. But the truth is, most safety videos, they're outdated, they're boring or ignored. And if it's not being watched, it's not working. That's where we come in. At Bclip, we create custom safety training videos that are clear, consistent, and built for real-world manufacturing environments. Whether you're onboarding one person or 100, our videos scale across every shift, every site, and screen, saving your team time and reinforcing compliance. Our videos are also built with audits in mind, so when it's time to prove training was done and done right, you've got it covered. Our process is simple. We learn your environment, write your script, and film on site with a crew that knows how to work in active plants, safely and efficiently. We've worked with companies like TE Connectivity, Southeastern Container, General Electric, Sonny's Enterprises, Owens & Minor, Champion Aerospace, and General Kinematics to deliver results that they can count on. If your current safety training video isn't getting the job done, then let's talk. Right below this video, you can download our free safety video audit checklist. It's a quick tool to assess what's working and what's not. Or just reach out to us directly. We'll help you build a training solution that works for the people you're responsible for and the standards you have to meet.